Gonna make a quick little video here quick. I have a Power Probe 4 and had to take it apart, and went to take this top cap off and I couldn't quite figure it out. Couldn't find a video online. Well, got to looking a little closer, and this center pin actually threads out, and it is, what is it, 7/64 Allen. So you just stick a 7/64 Allen in there and you can unthread it and it'll pop the cap right off. Just a little FYI, if you're working on your power probe, don't break it trying to pry that end cap off, because you have to unthread that center conductor first. And you might want to check the solder joints where that threads in too, because the solder joints were loose on mine. Just an FYI. And that's all I have here. Have a good day.